If you're implying the Big Bang theory is true, Dave, how do you explain, say, the horizon problem, which seems to be a big problem for Big Bang theorists? Like, how would you explain
What
it, being a physics major?
what about the horizon problem?
Well, like in a nutshell, in the model, correct me if I'm wrong, the universe begins at an infinitely small state called a singularity, correct? And then it
Yeah,
rapidly expands from there?
yeah, and it's
Okay,
still
okay,
expanding today.
okay,
And
okay. I just want to explain the problem to you and see how you explain it, because according to this model, when the universe was still very small, it would have developed different temperatures in different locations. So let's just suppose, I'll try and simplify this, point A is hot, point B is cold. Today,
mhm,
the universe has expanded, and points A and B are now widely separated, right, Dave? Are we on the same page in this?
yeah,
Okay, but we know the universe has an extremely uniform temperature at great distances beyond the farthest known galaxies. I mean, are we in agreement here?
yeah, I can't argue.
Okay, so in other words, points A and points B have almost exactly the same temperature today. We know this from the electromagnetic radiation coming from all directions in the form of microwaves, right? The
Yeah. Well,
microwave
here's the
background.
thing too, and this is in if I go too fast, stop me. But
Well, I
we
just want to know
also
how points
observe
A
that
and B. That,
the expansion of the universe is accelerating, which implies an increase in energy in the universe that we can't explain. Also, the speed at which things are moving are faster than what they are, which shows an unexplained mass out there. We call these things dark energy and dark matter. We have no explanation for those either. There's a lot of things that we don't know.
I consider that
That
dark
still
science.
doesn't say that there's a divine creator existing outside of space and time that created it all.
But I'm just saying, in the Big Bang model, if it's true, right? Uh,
Mm-hmm.
how are points A and B the same temperature? Because the only way they can be the same temperature, Dave, is that they need to exchange energy, right?
Mm-hmm.
But at the end of the day, there would be a huge light travel time problem,
Yeah.
because they must have exchanged light multiple times. You would
Yeah,
need
well, if things
far
are
more
getting
time than
further away from
14.
each other, they could have exchanged lights multiple times when they're closer together. We don't know.
But but we know the
You're
universe
you're
is. Well, I mean,
you're,
I
you're
don't agree with
inferring
this,
that
but
the God of the gaps is a acceptable reason to say that there is definitely a divine creator. Because we don't know something, God must have done it. That's just not the way it works.
I'm just saying there
Well,
seems to be
we just
pretty
don't
big
know it
problems with the
yet.
Big Bang.
Maybe someday we'll find out. We don't know everything yet.
So, okay, so if we don't know everything and
But
we,
if the God of the Bible is right, that should all be explained in the Bible. It's
It
not.
is all explained.